I think, especially in the past 2-3 years, I feel like I've seen you go from strength to strength and constantly push yourself. I really think that you've always pushed yourself emotionally to be supportive and generous with people in your life that you love and care about, and I think that we've been fortunate enough to be at the receiving end of that, and for that we are eternally grateful and thankful. To be in your sphere of love and generosity and sunshine and amazingness, and we wish you nothing but the best. This is a new start and beginning for you, and I've already taken up 45 seconds.
जो मुझे सबसे अच्छी चीज़ लगती है अंशुला के बारे में कि वो हमेशा सच बोलती है. शी इज़ नॉट स्केयर्ड ऑफ स्पीकिंग हर माइंड. That won't always make you a lot of friends, but it can make you some enemies. And a show like Traitors rides on that exact emotion.
Dad's lived through a journey and a half in his own life, and I'm glad that he at least gets one of those wishes that he's perhaps had for the longest time live out while he still can enjoy being with the four of us and travel with us. 2013, 2014, it was very difficult for me to develop a thick skin enough to not get affected by the external chatter. I was just so excited and happy when Bhaiya became an actor, when Ishaq Zadeh launched, and it did well. And the entire journey that he's had to go through for that movie to even be released in the time when it was, right after Mom passed, I know exactly what he was going through at that time. Some of our wildest, fondest, sweetest memories always revolve around Sanjay Achu and Maheep. Sometimes it's a Maheep Chachi situation for me, sometimes it's a Maheep situation for me. I'm transitioning more for it to become a Maheep situation, I think, organically, just because she's cooler with that happening.
But well, I am going to take a little more time, because how can a show go on without because it's all heart.
Sure.
And I know that whenever I needed you to send me messages, I have got them for others. So of course, without a doubt, there will be moments where I am going to play something for you. So एक download हो रहा है, but ठीक है चलो.
From which sibling is this?
There are 2 siblings in this.
Show me now. Oh!
Hi Anshula Didi. Firstly, I think I just want to say I'm so proud of you for pushing yourself outside your comfort zone and trying so many new things. I think, especially in the past 2-3 years, I feel like I've seen you go from strength to strength and constantly push yourself. I really think that you've always pushed yourself emotionally to be supportive and generous with people in your life that you love and care about, and I think that we've been fortunate enough to be at the receiving end of that, and for that we are eternally grateful and thankful. To be in your sphere of love and generosity and sunshine and amazingness, and we wish you nothing but the best. This is a new start and beginning for you, and I've already taken up 45 seconds, which is way too much. I feel like Nayan is going to chop this. So just want to say I love you very much.
We love you very much. I don't know how to follow up after
everything
you
need to follow up. Say something.
I don't know.
She loves you very much. I just took all the words out of her mouth.
Yeah, but Nayan knows I don't speak. So
Okay. And we miss you. Bye.
What did she say at the end? Now?
Man knows that I don't speak.
We all know that she doesn't speak.
You know,
So much for having a stoic exterior, guys.
before I move on to the next one, I have to tell you this, that it's the happiest moment for your father, I feel, at this point. When you talk about having siblings, when he sees all his 4 kids
Of course,
together,
of course.
you know, whatever the situations might have been, he's also been through a lot of judgment, scrutiny, all of that. I'm pretty sure that as a child, as a teenager, you also must have in your head sometimes blamed him for not being as present. But today he's getting to live a time with all 4 of you, which he also possibly would have missed out on.
Of
Right?
course.
And how does it make you feel? And having these 2 in your life right now, who you are mothering,
I'm not mothering them. I'm sistering them.
Sistering.
There's a huge difference.
Yes.
How does it feel to what?
You know, when you look from your father's perspective, like all of you coming together, and then of course having 2 sisters.
I mean, as you can tell, it feels really good. No, Dad's lived through a journey and a half in his own life, and I'm glad that he at least gets one of those wishes that he's perhaps had for the longest time live out while he still can enjoy being with the four of us and travel with us and hang out with us and gappa with us and all of
Yes.
that. So
He's
I'm
the
sure
coolest.
it's a very warm and cuddly feeling for him, because it is a warm and cuddly feeling for me. I'm equating that to what he would be feeling as well, perhaps multiplied, because for him, he is feeling it from 4 different children's perspectives as well as his own perspective. So, yeah, I think there is a lot of warmth in the fact that we have managed to jigsaw puzzle our way into this.
Yeah, and it's so beautiful because today when I see him, he feels
He's
happy
happy,
about
yeah, he's
it. He feels
happy.
so content.
He's a jolly man.
Yeah, he's a chiller. Like
Yeah.
it truly is.
Yeah.
Okay, of course, the next one.
Hi Ansh, hi Nayandeep. Thank you for not asking me too many questions. This time you can ask Anshula all the questions. I've been asked to speak about Anshula and how she's done in Traitors and her personality and all that. I think all I'm going to say is I'm very, very happy and proud that she went and did something like this, because it's against her personality to begin with. Growing up, she was never like this. So to be able to see her come into her own, become a person who's able to stand up for herself, be able to manipulate or create or find a way or maneuver in society, in life, to become street smart. I think I'm very, very proud of her for doing the show, because her street smart acumen definitely has come to the forefront, and I can see the confidence that the show has given her, because she came back a different person. It was exhausting, but I think what I can see her on the show, I can see her, what I can see from how she's become after the show, I can tell you that I'm very, very happy that she went on the show. As a person, how Anshula is, she's always been direct, she's always straightforward, she's too straightforward, she's too honest, she's too sincere, she's very, very dedicated. So when you see her doing tasks, when you see her prioritizing things, when you see her focusing, that is her inherent personality. लेकिन जो मुझे सबसे अच्छी चीज़ लगती है अंशुला के बारे में कि वो हमेशा सच बोलती है. She is not scared of speaking her mind. That won't always make you a lot of friends, but it can make you some enemies. And a show like Traitors rides on that exact emotion. How do you become diplomatic? How do you not say everything in front of everybody? So I think it's good. उसके लिए एक नई दुनिया थी, to be in front of so many people and to be on camera and to forget to be on camera. I think it's not her first job. Cameras are not something that she's used to being around so much. But I'm very proud and very happy that she's come into her own as a person. I think that's important. And I know her as a person, but as a person that operates in front of all of y'all, you can see who she is and how she is and her conduct and her culture, her upbringing and her thought process. So lots of love, Ansh. And yeah, keep taking risks and chances. There is a reward and keep growing.
Had to.
Had to.
This had to happen.
Straight shooter.
You know your equation with your brother, you guys have each other, and he always says that I only have her to like hold on to her through and through, right?
Yeah.
Like through all episodes, I've always only had her after your mom's passing. He also has that side where he completely hides his emotional side, of course, because he's more of a public figure. He's always in front of cameras. And I feel that there's that emotional side to Arjun he hides because of situations that he's been through. He's also been judged, shamed a lot, right? As a sister, when you're not a part of that world, but when you read anything like that, when you see people like having a perspective about him which is not correct, how does that affect you?
Honestly, in the beginning, when I had to wrap my mind around the fact that as a public figure, as an actor, back when even like 2013, 2014, it was very difficult for me to develop a thick skin enough to not get affected by the external chatter. I was just so excited and happy when Bhaiya became an actor, when Ishaqzaade launched and it did well. And the entire journey that he's had to go through for that movie to even be released in the time when it was, right after mom passed, I know exactly what he was going through at that time. I also wasn't physically here to be with him because I was finishing my schooling in New York. I know what he was going through. I was just so excited. I remember setting up Google alerts on his name so that anything that he was saying and doing, because I wasn't here to see it, I would catch it through a Google alert. I would read his interviews and stuff like that. I was not really prepared for all of that, for any sort of negativity to come at him. And I was extremely protective of the fact that you guys don't know him. You all are judging him without knowing him. And that is completely unfair of you to do. And people not only troll online, but they even troll offline. And it is the worst feeling to have to hear somebody dissect and assassinate somebody that you love without them even knowing them. They may have never even met him in person, never even been in the same room, but they feel like they know who he is and they have an ability to judge and they have an ability to character assassinate. And that is something that has always affected me very deeply. It still affects me to a great extent, but he has taught me how important it is to have an external thick skin, and also how important it is to sort of just disassociate with external chatter, because where he is concerned, my emotions are always at an all-time high. Like they are on 100 on 100. It was very difficult for me to sort of not want to fight those battles for him and not like go and reply to every single troll and every single comment and block people willy-nilly just because they were being, for lack of a better word, assholes without even knowing 1% of anything. He's helped me deal with how that needs to be dealt with. He's also helped me understand that there are tools that I can utilize to be able to stop that external chatter to come to me. Like the first thing he made me do is shut off these Google alerts and like, you know, like things like even like practical things like that. So it does get very difficult. It does hurt me because I know that even if it is affecting him, he's going to want to reach a point where it doesn't affect him as much. And I don't want him to fight this battle along with every other battle that he's constantly fighting. Just because you are an actor or just because you have a public platform does not mean that you need to be constantly spoken down about, constantly trolled, constantly nagged. Every one of us is very aware of our positives and our negatives. Nobody wants the negatives to constantly be highlighted, especially when you're working towards making changes, when you're working towards bettering yourself. And you know him as a person, you know that he is constantly just trying to do the best by all of us, best by him. He does not have a selfish bone in his body in that sense when it comes to being protective, showing love, being there for somebody.
Even standing up for his own contemporaries.
He is one of the most, he is there. He is a yaro ka yaar, but he is there. He will be with you during your good times. He will be with you during your bad times even more. He will not leave you to hang dry. And for a person who has 55 million good things that he has going for himself, it cuts me and it guts me to see him constantly being trolled in that sense. But there is no choice but to have that guard up, to have that thick walls. Literally, if they were any thicker, they would just become armors of diamond at this point, where you have to negate it because you know inherently what they are saying is not true because they don't know him.
Yeah.
So you stand by what you know of him and what
But
you
you've
know
become
that he's
better at
doing.
dealing with it now?
I've become better at dealing with it because now I've had over a decade of practice, and that's helped me deal with negativity that comes my way as well. And now that comes through so many members of the family's way, because in the early 2000s and even in the 2010 decade, the trolling and negativity across social media and media was not as much.
Absolutely.
Now it's heightened.
There was no social media only, so to say, उस तरीके का, और negativity तो genuinely इतना नहीं था.
Now it's heightened. So now, and in this heightened era is when Janu and Khushi have made their debut. So in a way, it helped me have that existing guard up to be able to, because otherwise I would have taken some sort of like mythical sword and tried to slay everybody's dragons. I am just that kind of person. For people I love, I want to go and slay dragons for them. But now, how do you slay a troll?
That's true. But there is another message. It's a short one. Let's see. You will not be able to guess this one. कि किसका होगा? किसका होगा?
मुझे क्या पता?
Guess करो. इतने सारे हैं.
Is it family or friends?
Family.
Is it Mahip?
No. That would have been the obvious choice, but it is close to Mahip.
Chachu.
Hi Anshula, you're killing it in Traitors. Just loving you in it. Well, the family is full of actors and reality stars. So welcome and join the club. All the best. Lots and lots of love.
This performance in the voice note is the best thing.
He and Mahip have also been rocks to both of you. And let me tell you guys, today I'm going to make a revelation about you.
Oh.
Even before I spoke to you, ever met you, even socially, whatever, I was working for this company and there was a post about Shania and Shania was not an actor. Shania was really young, and there was some
Teenager.
post about a teenager, and Anshula had messaged that company social media team. I was not responsible for it before you guys shamed me for it. I firmly believe that it shouldn't have happened, but there was a message that came that, do you guys don't see that it is irresponsible of you to post somebody, a teenager's pictures, she's not an actor yet?
She was not even 18.
Yes, she was not.
She was a child.
And you know, they have been protective towards both of you through and through.
Shana's my baby.
And Shana, you've been protective towards them.
Yeah, of course. I mean, isn't that what family is all about? You do protect everybody. You don't choose, be like, "Nahin, I'll protect this one."
I mean, but
we've also grown up as a joint family, so you're always going
Absolutely.
to have that love because we've all grown up together. Like,
you know,
Shania was
despite the
born into
structure and whatever happens, Sanjay and Mahit actually have been rocks to both you and Arjun and Mona, man. Like in that space, if you see, they have always been there for you.
Of course, they have, and that's the beauty of family, right? Like, you don't have to choose sides. You can just be there unconditionally, which is beautiful, which is lovely. They have always been a support system. They will always continue to be a support system. Some of our wildest, fondest, sweetest memories always revolve around Sanjay Chachu and Mahip. Sometimes it's a Mahip Chachi situation for me. Sometimes it's a Mahip situation for me. I'm transitioning more for it to become a Mahip situation, I think, organically, just because she's cooler with that happening to a great extent. But no, like, for me also, both Jahan and Shania were born in front of me. Like, Shania was born when I was like 9-ish years old in that sense. For me, she was my walking, talking first doll. I was obsessed with her. So I do, like I have said, this motherly instinct of mine that Jago, is it really Jago?
Fab.
But I was also in my early 20s when the incident you're talking about happened, and I'd sent a very strongly worded email which bounced back. Then therefore I just sent DMs requesting them very sternly to delete the post and remove the post and delete the corresponding website article that they had created. And they did that.
And they did. They did that. They also did, and I don't think they did
that.
anything after that also to their good. Yeah. It's a
because
fact.
you don't objectify a 16-year-old and you do not crucify a 16-year-old who has not chosen the public life yet. It's just, she's a child.
I will close this by saying that there's a lot of your mom in you.
Thank you.
There is there's warmth, there's strength,
Thank you.
there are emotions, and there's that nature where you really care for people, and you, even if you wouldn't fight the way you would fight for yourself, you will fight a different way for people you care.
Yeah, of
which
course.
is what I realized, and kudos to that.
Thank you.
And kudos to that side of you, and I know that you've had a very dignified presence on the show, and I said it multiple times. I just wish you all the best. Thank you for this conversation. It genuinely felt like a warm hug to me, and I'm hoping that it felt like